you have had key positions at so many. You have had key positions at Gita Group of institutions for such a long time in your professional careers. So, what are the key factors which keep you connected to the education sector?
Yes, Vinay, it's a very relevant question, and I would like to share. As we are into education since last 35 years, and we started a school in 1985, and now we are having 14 colleges, 8 campuses under the banner of Gita Group of Institution. So from childhood, I have seen education culture in my family, as my father, who is a chairman of Gita Group of Institution, Shri S.P. Bansaji, who was professor of economics. So the key factor is that education is in my blood. And another factor that keeps me connected with the education sector is that it is an outlet for my creativity. The opportunity for trying new and exciting approaches are endless. So also this sector provides me an opportunity to profoundly impact the lives of the children and gives the satisfaction of contributing to the society, which gives me an immense pleasure.
Wonderful answer, sir. So now, being the topmost management for GGI, what is your philosophy on leadership? And like, how would you describe your leadership style, which encapsulates towards the students?
Well, according to my philosophy of leadership, is that leader must be a first, like of all the good listener. Like he should be a good listener first of all, and then provide leadership opportunities for the others to foster growth and share responsibility for attaining goals of the organization. And I believe leader must study the market scenario and must know the resources available and then lead the team. And the another you have asked me, like my leadership, I lead by communicating open communication to all my senior members and try to bring out the best from them as per their capability and capacity. And I personally never hesitate to acknowledge my weakness and continually weak ways to improve my leadership skills.
So being the topmost management position at GGI, how do you plan your curriculum? How do you plan the key programs for the institutions? And how do you plan the marketing and administration of the institutes?
Well, actually, both marketing and administration in college both are different fields. Like for marketing, one has to understand the need of market and industry even, and as per the need, every year we have to change our strategy with the available resources to us. Even a budget is an obvious one factor, but we can't forget time and talent and even tools which are available with us. So for marketing, like we have to plan every time differently because under this COVID situation, even the marketing strategy is totally different. And before that, the marketing strategy was totally different. And even if you talk about the administration in a college, like every organization work with a hierarchy, and we have well defined hierarchy in our organization, and everybody know their roles and responsibility, and all follow the same whatever we have defined in the organization.
So, sir, international institutes have a very different style of teaching than Indian institutes. So, what is that an international student or inbound student will gain from studying at Gita Group of institutions?
No doubt, in developed countries, if I we talk about the foreign countries, like foreign is also the developing country as well. But if we talk about the developed country, where the structure of curriculum is totally different, but still we provide the same structure as every parent and student need as per the requirement of industry. Even we have counseling cell where we organize counseling for the students, and even teachers motivate the student to provide them the good platform which provide them the practical research and even the startups in the college. And we have a strong reputation for these approachable lecturers who are leaders in their field. Our courses have a strong emphasis on working in a small groups and offer regular tutorials and seminars. Our focus on research leads to constant revision and updating of all the courses, incorporate the very latest findings into our curriculum and ensure that teaching is innovative and cutting edge.
So, sir, how does this planned curriculum at Gita Group of Institutions ensure that the students are up to date and the curriculum is updated on time and is on the best peripheral that is possible?
Yes, in Gita Group of Institution, along with the academic growth, we are focusing on the basic skills such as writing, problem solving, and even critical thinking, and also updating the students to keep pace with the industrial growth. Even we have many incubation centers, center of excellence in tie-up with the many MNCs in the campus, where students and faculty enhance their knowledge to face the industry, and even we provide them opportunity for internship and the placement in the college. So we have introduced many value added courses as well, along with the curriculum, as we are affiliated to government universities, like we have engineering campus and law campus, then hotel management, which is affiliated to Kurukshetra University, which was established in 1956, the oldest university of Haryana. So the curriculum is well designed. Even thousands and lakhs of students has passed out from this university. And in education sector, like we have B.Ed, D.Ed, M.Ed, which is affiliated to CRSU Jink, and we have pharmacy as well, where the pharmacy college is affiliated to Pandit B.D. Sharma Rohtak. So we have, apart from, like, we are bound by the curriculum of the universities, government university. So apart from that, we have introduced many value-added courses in different programs, like in computer science. If you talk about the artificial intelligence, machine learning, even cyber security, 3D printing, and I would like to tell you one thing, like we have the only incubation center of Aisha Tractor. In our campus, we are the only institution in North India who is having this incubation center. So the students are learning a lot of things over there, like with this center of excellence, like we have a lot of scope there in that.
So, can you like provide some insights as to what GGI does so as to provide a more welcoming and holistically nurturing environment to the students of different races and economic background?
Yes, in GGI we practice a sportive culture to facilitate the students hailing from a different part of country and even abroad. Since we have students belonging to Nepal, Afghanistan, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and this year we have introduced introduced our college in Africa as well, and we have students from different states of India as well in our college in our group.
So, sir, what do you think is your role and responsibility towards the students who come to study at GGI? And like, how are you more approachable for them? And how are they able to bring forward, if any problems they have to you?
I am into education for last 12 years. I'm looking after this Gita group of institution, and I started my career even from this education sector. So, being as a responsibility, like I have to lead the college, manage and develop the new areas in the college, and ensure it to achieve the highest possible standards of excellence in all its activities in every field. Through this, already college has received many awards in the field of best placement, best education institute in this region or in this north area. And if any student, any faculty, if they face any problem, so my doors of my office are always open for them. Like every student or any faculty can come at any time to discuss any like idea if they have in their mind, like which they want to introduce in the college. And I always welcome such people. Even I also motivate the students for the startups, and even Gita group of institution is ready for the funding if we find like the idea is very good. So I always dedicated for the organization, like for the well-being of the students.
So, what do you think is the top priority for the institute's group over the next 10 years? Like, what's the most topmost priority which needs to be implemented over a long period of time, and you have your vision set on that?
So in short, I will share like our planning for the next 10 years is like just to create excellence in terms of first of all, because the teaching is the most important tool in any organization, and after that like the research, the most important part of any organization. So in teaching, even in research, in citation, like you can say research influence and the industry income and the international outlook. And to introduce more industry oriented program, we want to introduce more and more like in our group in the upcoming years.
So, like when you joined education sector or GGI 12 years back, so what was your vision about the group and how has it evolved over time? And like how far you have come into achieving that? I mean, there must be some milestones which are still left and you want to achieve, and you must have set new milestones along the way. So, can you give us an insight into that?
Yes, we started. I told you earlier, like we started this group 35 years back, and I joined this group. Like I started my journey in education sector, like in 12 years back with Gita Engineering College, and my vision was to serve the society with the cause of education when I entered in this field. But over a period of time, keeping that vision in mind, we have explored the education sector in terms of need of industry. At present, our vision is even this is our slogan: India today and the world tomorrow. So right now we are targeting India, and time is not far. Like we will achieve, and the students will spread their fragrance all over the world, and to make our country by creating technocrats and the professionals of the world class quality, which are acceptable by the industry, and they can bring pride not only to the college but to the country and the whole world.
Okay, sir. Uh, now, so what is that one thing which you would like people to know about GGI, which I don't think, which might not be very prevalent or which people might not be aware of?
Well, I think there is nothing like we have hide from anyone. Like it's a institution is very open book where the students are studying, and no doubt sometimes few things people are not aware, which I would like to share. Like in our institution, we give equal importance to the personal development and the grooming of the student, which nobody can see basically, but that can be feel. Instead of the traditional methods, we prefer activity and practical based learning. The teachers are also well aware about their students' weakness and the strengths, so that if they face any problem like in the organization, they can discuss frankly with the teachers. And I would say like GGA colleges, Gita Group of Colleges shows excellent result in the academics every year. Like we have university positions every year, and no doubt placement in this region is very good. And we at Gita Engineering College are NAC accredited college, and in law college we talk about student has been placed in judiciary. Two student has been placed in judiciary, where we are providing judiciary coaching as well in the law college. And in hotel management, we have system like earn by learn, where the student can earn even during their studies. They can go abroad, they can earn a lot of money from there, and they can survive. They can uh, do good in their field, in their hotel industry field.
So, sir, in coming times, what do you see as the biggest challenge for education sector in general and for GGI specifically?
Yes, a lot of challenges are there as we have to update ourselves day because like the technology is running very fast, and we have to run with that technology. And the greatest thing of our institution is we have a very qualified faculty who are ever ready to help the students, and for the healthy relation is maintained between the students and the faculty. And another strength is like location of the institution. like our every college, like it may be engineering, it may be a pharmacy, it may be a law, hotel management, education, even we have schools as well. So the location of the institution is very good and approachable, and the placement of the student is wonderful in this region, and we have the best infrastructure, I will say, as we provide them the practical exposure as well to the student, and we provide an environment which fosters academic success, intellectual and the personal growth by offering appropriate student support, service and co-curricular activities.
Sir, any suggestion you want to give to the students and parents who will be joining higher education this year?
Yes, no doubt. The student have first of all, I believe they must have clarity towards their career, their goals, and their path. They have to choose a role model which gives them a clear guidance. They have to believe in themselves. They must dream big and they must start with small and keep updating themselves as per the industry requirement. And the most important, they must not waste their time unnecessarily on the social media, and they must utilize this pandemic time to enhance their knowledge. As per this time, AICT, UGC, and many other councils, they have provided a lot of free online portals where they can do short-term courses to enhance their knowledge, and after that, they can assess their knowledge as well, which is very helpful for the students. So this is my message to the youth: like they must update themselves, and government is providing a lot of opportunities to the students. They have to check, they have to observe, they have to follow, and they have to assess as well.
Wonderful, sir. So, what are some plans that you are currently designing for GGI for international affairs and students, or something that you have been doing for quite some time?
Yeah, in terms of recent plans, we are exploring new countries for the students and the faculty exchange program, and even for offering our professional program to the students of our countries and other countries as well. And although we are, as a group, is already serving Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Afghanistan, but there are many other countries that we are planning to explore in the terms of education. And our plan is to serve 21st century education to the students targeting Industry 4.0. And no doubt, we are just planning to introduce some new courses, technological courses, in tie-up with the government, with the state government, and hopefully these courses will be introduced in the Gita Group of institution in the month of August. Apart from this curriculum, apart from the BTech, like we are planning to introduce artificial intelligence, machine learning, where the certification will be given by the government universities or the college.
So, sir, how do you establish a healthy relation and environment in your group, and how do you perceive that to be a very nurturing uh, environment for the students?
Yes, to build up a healthy relationship, we are already working in our Gita Group of institution, as we have already received many awards, and we are also work on cross-cultural learning, as we have students from 7 countries and even more than 20 states. They are learning under one roof with the culture of building qualitative goals and the delivery of the best education and serving the industry with the collaborative learning. So for cross-cultural learning, for healthy environment, there is a very good student-centric approach of faculty members, where they are creating an environment of family for the student who are far away from their home. They are offered an environment where they can feel like Gita Group of Institution is their home away from their home.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving us your time.
Thank
And
you, Vinay. And no doubt, College Dunia is doing a wonderful job, and I wish all the best to College Dunia, like who is giving information to the students, like in every from the every corner of education sector to the students. So this is a big thing like you are providing to the student. I wish you all the best.
thank you so much, sir.